Traveling the world offers unparalleled opportunities for adventure, cultural immersion, and personal growth. Yet, not all destinations are created equal when it comes to the safety and security of travelers. While the globe is speckled with places boasting breathtaking landscapes, rich histories, and welcoming locals, certain regions pose significant risks that can turn an adventure into a perilous ordeal. This script delves into the reasons why some places, due to a combination of political instability, ongoing conflict, and security challenges, should be approached with caution or avoided altogether by travelers seeking to explore the world. From the volatile shores of Somalia to the unrest in the heart of Africa, we'll explore why the allure of exotic locales must sometimes be weighed against the sobering realities of current events. Number 1. Somalia, located on the Horn of Africa, has been grappling with instability for decades, characterized by ongoing conflicts among factional groups, piracy off its coast, and terrorist activities, primarily by Al-Shabaab. Despite its rich cultural history and the resilience of its people, the security situation remains precarious, with frequent terrorist attacks, kidnappings, and a lack of effective governance across large swathes of the country, including the self-declared independent region of Somaliland. These conditions make Somalia one of the most challenging environments for travel. Number 2. Central African Republic, CAR. The Central African Republic, despite its significant natural beauty and mineral wealth, has been troubled by political turmoil and conflict since gaining independence. Intercommunal violence, active rebel groups, and a lack of security infrastructure contribute to a volatile situation. Travelers face risks from armed robbery, kidnapping, and other forms of violence. The situation is complicated by inadequate healthcare infrastructure, making the CAR a particularly risky destination for tourists. Number 3. Libya. Since the 2011 uprising that toppled Muammar Gaddafi, Libya has been mired in chaos, with rival governments and numerous militias vying for control. The political instability has led to a breakdown in law and order, contributing to terrorism, kidnapping, and armed conflict risks. Historic sites, such as the ruins of Leptis Magna, remain out of reach for most travelers due to safety concerns. The situation on the ground is complex and unpredictable, making Libya a risky destination for casual travel. Number 4. Northern Nigeria. Northern Nigeria presents a contrasting picture to the more stable southern part of the country. It faces challenges from extremist groups such as Boko Haram and conflicts between pastoralists and farmers. These conflicts have led to a significant number of casualties and displaced persons, creating a security environment that is hostile for travel. The risk of kidnapping and terrorist attacks, especially in remote areas, further exacerbates the situation for any potential visitors. Number 5. South Sudan. The world's youngest country, South Sudan, gained independence in 2011 but has since been embroiled in civil conflict. Despite a peace agreement signed in 2018, sporadic clashes and violence continue, displacing millions and creating a humanitarian crisis. The ongoing conflict, ethnic violence, and lack of infrastructure pose significant risks to travelers, including the threat of violence, kidnapping, and the inability to access basic necessities or emergency services. However, anyone considering travel to these areas, it's crucial to stay informed about the current situation, understand the risks involved, and always prioritize safety. Consulting official travel advisories, seeking advice from experts familiar with the region, and considering the purpose and necessity of your visit are essential steps before making any travel plans to high-risk areas. So this was today's episode. Subscribe our channel for more informational video.